YouTube quick video. It's gonna be named how to do your oil change. First of all, safety first. You're gonna lift your car, any car, no matter what it is. You're gonna lift your car. You're gonna put towers on, or towers, secure it in place anywhere. A low car, high car, pickup truck, 2-door, 4-door, any type of car. Once you lift the car, you're gonna go underneath. Remember, safety first. You're gonna go underneath. You're gonna have your pan in there, bucket, whatever you can catch the oil, because for sure in any car it's gonna be 5/4 of oil or more. So you're gonna go ahead and find out what's your oil pan plug. On this one is I think like 2004 2005 Ford Explorer V6 engine with the 4.0 engine. So mine happened to be a 13mm socket or wrench, whatever you can get it loose with. I use the impact on this one, get them loose, and then you get ready to drain the oil. You're gonna put your pan on the floor or bucket, whatever you're gonna catch the oil with. You start removing the plug. Catch the oil there. Remove the plug. We're gonna let it drain. Next step, we're gonna remove the oil filter. To remove that one, we're gonna need something like this. If you have a universal one, universal. If you have anyone that is already the size, this is how it's gonna look. The oil filter remover or belt. This one right here is the universal. This one is the ready-made belt or oil filter remover. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go down here. And we're gonna get the oil filter loose. So once we get it loose, we're gonna remove it and replace for the new one. So we're gonna still let it drain. You don't have to flush the engine and do anything fancy like everybody does. They all use like another extra oil, then they flush the engine. You don't have to do all that stuff. Simple as oil change. Lift the car, safety first. Something to catch the oil. Remove the oil pan plug, drain the oil, replace the filter, put the new filter back in. When there's no more oil dripping, plug the oil pan with the plug. Lift the car again, remove the towers, put them down, and then you add the oil. Okay, we're ready to remove and replace the new oil filter. And the oil is almost done, it's just dripping. You're good to put the plug back already. Okay, now, here on YouTube, there's a lot of guys that try to be smart ass. They're telling you every time you do the oil change, replace the plug, replace the seal, add silicone, add sealant, add like a Teflon tape. If you're a normal guy like me or anybody else that just want to go, don't be scared and do your own oil change. Again, just lift the car, safety first, towers, something to catch your oil, remove the plug, remove the oil filter, drain the oil, and put the same plug in. You don't have to do all that circus that everybody does and recommends. I mean, it's good, but I mean, it's not necessary. I'm gonna put this one back in and we're done. We can ready to drop the car and add the oil. So with the plug in here. You can either go by hand. This is my big dog. Get my impact. Tight. 13mm. Let me move with the oil because I can drop the gun with the impact there. And there, you're good to go. There. There's your oil change. So now we're done. You go recycle that oil. Drop the car. Take this thing off. On every car, it's gonna show you what type of oil in it. Just go to any O'Reilly's, AutoZone. Tell them what car you have, what engine. They already know how many oil you're gonna need and what type of oil. This one is 530. So we're gonna do is like 4 or 5 quart. Add the oil and get it popping.